Hello friends, this is Creative Ends Platform and you are welcome to my channel. Today's video is on this beautiful turban that you can see right now. So the focus I have on this video is on how I made the design. I guess a lot of you can already sew the turban cap, but if you cannot sew it, you don't need to worry. I have a lot of videos on how to make the turban base. So once you check on Creative Ends Platform with this logo, you will always see my videos. Just type the one you want, search through the channel, and you see a lot of my videos. They have the cap. So the design is what I'm focused on for this video, and straight away this is what I did to design this turban. I cut out a fabric of 10 by 85 inches because I needed length to create the pleat. So 10 by 85 inches on a fold is 5 inches. So when you fold it is 5, but when you open it's 10, and the length of the fabric is 85. So what I did was to create two different patterns of this particular design so that you can make your choice. I have one of the pleats where I added crinoline, and then the second one I just did it with the fabric. So if you think of doing it with just the fabric, is fine. If you think of adding crinoline to it, it is fine as well. So the both designs are here for you to see and also make your choice. So the video is clear enough, it's self-explanatory, so you can watch and understand. But if you have any question after watching this video, please do not uh, hesitate to drop it on the comment section. I will respond to you. And also you can use my phone numbers. There are a lot of my videos that have my phone numbers. You can use those phone numbers to reach me on WhatsApp and send me any picture of what you think you want me to help you with, and I promise I will do that. It might not be as soon as you send it because I'm a very busy person, but with time I will be able to put it through for you. All right. So quickly, if today is your first time stopping by Creative Ends Platform and you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please do so. Do so. Let's be in this community together and we can do great things. We can achieve great things. That is my aim. You don't really need to go to any place to pay one big amount of money before you become a boss of your own. Just stay tuned. Stay glued to Creative Ends Platform and see the wonders that you begin to do. All right, so I will see you in my next video. For now it will be bye, but if there's any part of this video I think I should explain to you, I think I will do that because I really want you to understand. The only thing I'm doing with this particular material is that I am just creating a pleat with it. So I created the pleat without adding crinoline, and then I created the second pleat by adding crinoline. So you will see the difference, and then you decide which one you like to do. So for now, it is bye from me. Bye.